Hello, we are Virtual Teacher and we want to create easy access to personalized education. There are 2.5 billion students in age from 10 to 19 and most of them learns online every day. World market size of math tutoring is more than $20 billion and it is predicted to grow per 7% a year. Here you can see market sizes of online math tutoring and how I calculated it. So this is private tutoring market size times what part of whole market is math and what part of students are willing to learn online. And why these markets? First of all, they have common language, of course, except Poland when we plan to start. And there are the same methods how to solve mathematical problems, so we don't have to change our IT programming core. The problem. Quality of public teaching is low and private tutoring is expensive. We want to create easy access to personalized education. We want to do it now because in last years appeared good hand recognition software. And this is what students write on a virtual board. I used virtual boards in my work of a private tutor for 5 years, and about 2 years I have 90% of my online lessons online. Solution is virtual teacher who is taking over most of repeatable teachers' work. So looking for students' mistakes, giving them hints, and choosing right questions for each student. The system is gathering information about skills gained by each student. Because of machine learning, it is generating next questions based on this data. Whole process is aiming to give students exercises that fits best. And in my work as a private tutor, I noticed that a lot of things are repeatable. So I ask the same questions over and over again. Students are making the same errors. And for example, in terms of looking for mistakes, I'm sure that this system will be better than me and all teachers, because it is a very machine thing to do, to find the mistakes in calculation, for example. And it is very difficult, especially in more complicated questions. So these are our unique values. So use of Socratic method, which I use in my work as a private tutor. So I ask questions instead of telling students how to do something. And this is one of the most effective way of learning, because students came up with the ideas on themselves. And because of typical error base, we will be able to not only show the students that this is not correct, but also we will see what is the reason of this error. So we will give him individual feedback and say why he made this error. Was it a problem with reasoning, or he rewrote something improperly, and so on. So he will understand the reason. These are our technologies. So machine learning connected with gathering the information of knowledge and strengths and weaknesses. Individual feedback connected with analyzing each step of student solution and understanding why the students make mistakes and make a mistake. So was it problem with reasoning, lack of certain skill, and just rewriting something improperly? And it will be just like a private tutor. So that's why I'm saying that it will be my digital copy. Because of cloud, we have full scalability, and we want to make our handwriting recognition software that will work better because it will be personalized. Another values, gamification and motivation. So first of all, we split whole mathematics into separate skills, and representation of those skills are badges, card of skills. So if system thinks that students get the skill, he get a badge, and those skills are put on visualization of a process, so tree of skills, as you can see. And we have also statistics for teachers or parents when they can see what new skills student got or how many problems he solved. Values for a customer. So much lower cost in comparison to private tutoring, but greater value than educational platforms. Uncomparable better value. A virtual teacher is available 24 hours a day, so there is no problem with planning meetings like in private tutor. Motivation, gamification, storytelling, and we also focus on proper way of communicating. And beach learning is that after students finish one problem, automatically he gets another one, and there's another one is like something connected with former question but something more advanced, so he is activated. And beach learning like beach watching in YouTube or Netflix. Our business model is advertising subscription mixed revenue models. So we have open version, so it is our MVP, and then we have full course and premium, and it will be subscription. Scalability. So I said about cloud, and also if you want to go to new market, it is just putting new set of questions in a course. So this is work for teachers, and most of the system is common. And we also plan to teach physics, chemistry, and programming. We are much cheaper than private tutors, but give a lot more values than platforms that you can see. Those platforms focus on giving knowledge, and they don't analyze students, how students solve the problems, or just check the final answer, not step by step. And we check step by step like a real person, and we give hints and help him to solve the problems on themselves. What we did in last 4-5 months, we prepared a proof of concept, and it was described on the website of Ministry of Science and Higher Education in Poland. We also won second prize in School of Pioneers program. This is Foundation of Polish Development. And in next 9 months, we want to prepare MVP that will cover most of math core for students in Poland. Then we want to translate it into English in next 3 months, and publish it in USA, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, and Philippines. Then whole year will be preparation of full product, so full course, with not only with full mathematical questions, but also with literal questions. So it will cover 100% of math core in those countries. So this is our team. This is me, founder Marek Wójcik, and CEO. I am one of the best rated and paid Polish private tutors with 10,000 hours of individual tuition, and that's why virtual teacher is my digital copy. I just want to let the computer do everything that is good in my work. I'm IT engineer, president of Passion for Science Foundation, and now I study cognitive studies. So this is connected with neuroscience and psychology. Artur Skiba is co-founder and our CTO. He has 25 years of experience in the information technology industry. Jakub Jasicki is our CEO, and Marcin Bożdyński is our product owner. So one of the most achievements we've got is gathering very strong experienced team to do this project. We are virtual teacher, help us create easy access to personalized education.